Your differences between polyjacking and mudjacking are the mudjacking is a combination of soil, grout, and sand. They mix that to a certain consistency and then start pumping it under either driveways, slabs, garage floors, etc. Polyjacking is a one-to-one component. It is injected into the ground, and as it's injected, the one-to-one components mix together. It shoots into the ground, and then the chemical reaction happens. The poly starts to expand, and as that expands, it compacts the soil underneath it, and then starts the lifting process of the concrete that we are trying to recover. Your polyjacking is a better choice in general due to the chemical and how light it is compared to your mudjacking itself. If you have small hairline cracks or minor settlement in whatever you're trying to recover, polyjacking is just an all-around better product to use for longevity of what you're trying to create. And you're going to get the same results in the beginning. Mudjacking, usually you get a 3 to 5 year lifespan depending on the general maintenance of the house. Polyjacking, you get anywhere from 10 to 15 years as long as the maintenance of the house is being upkept. Mudjacking's a good resolution if you're just trying to fill a void. That means whatever you're trying to fill hasn't settled, hasn't caused any damage. You're just filling that gap to keep rodents out, keep water out, and prevent future issues. If you're trying to recover, you want to use poly because you can get, as it injects, it finds the crevices and cracks in the soil first and expands and then starts the recovery process.